my name is Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super well today. If this is your first time coming across my lovely face here on YouTube, thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. I do appreciate you stopping by. I will definitely invite you to please subscribe before you go. Thumbs up this video and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. I felt like I haven't filmed a video in a long time, and that's because I haven't filmed a video in a long time. And I do have some videos lined up and scheduled, but I was looking back on the quality of those videos and I didn't like them, so I thought, you know what, to hell with it, I'm just going to carry on because I really want to bring you guys good content. So in today's video, as the title says, we are going to be doing an unboxing, and this is the Beauty Edit Beauty Box by OK Magazine. I'm not quite sure if you guys remember the first, not the first, but I'm not quite sure if you guys remember the collaboration I did with OBGYN Chris. That was the very first beauty box by OK Magazine. That was by Billy Shepherd. And in that box, she had all of her favorite products in there. So, you know, the products were really good. So I did buy a few things from some of the brands, and I showed you guys some of those things from Incredible Cosmetics. And I thought, why not just try the box again? Because I really like the products that's in here. That was in the first beauty box. So we're going to unbox this one today. This box did not come with the OK Magazine. Only the first beauty box that was launched came with the OK Magazine. This one didn't. So we are going to do this unboxing today. It's a beautiful box, same color, everything, very, very sturdy, and this is going to look great on in your beauty room, on the shelf, in the back of your beauty room, on your vanity, whatever you want to do. And of course, you can keep these boxes for storage. And by the way, guys, I'm working on my beauty room. I'm working on it. It's going to be a while. I'm putting my ideas pen to paper right now, and I'm going to be doing a reveal for you guys. It's probably not going to be coming for another couple of months, I don't think, but I'll let you guys know what when that's finished. Back to this, I'm getting off topic. So this is the beauty box, the Beauty Edit Beauty Box by OK Magazine. Let's just open this up and let's just see what we got inside. There was nothing written on here, like in the cover, like, you know, when you get the Look Fantastic beauty box, they always have a beautiful saying on the inside. This one doesn't have anything, that's okay. All beauty boxes are different. You do have here, what do you have here? You do have just a little booklet of what I think is inside. And of course you do get 6 full size or maybe sample products in this box, and this is what you get. If you do have this box, this is a spoiler, please don't watch, okay? So of course it's just a simple little pamphlet that came in the box. And there's another card that says for loving locks, that's what it says. And these are 100% mulberry silk accessories, and it comes with a little card with some information to the back, and there it be. And this is what the box looks like. It's just simple packaging, so we're just going to see what we've got in there this time. So we are going to open the box, and this is the content. Hope you guys can see that. There we go. And again, if you do have this beauty box, please don't watch because this is going to be some spoilers for you. I don't have my glasses with me, so I cannot read anything about what the products are all about. Sorry, I'm mumbling. I'm so excited. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this product from Grow Gorgeous. I do have a few things from them, like the hair, I think the hair sprays and the hair growth treatment, and I use that on my natural hair. This is Intense Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. Okay, this is the product right here, and of course I think this is a sample product. Again, there is a card here, the little booklet that tells you what's in the box, but like I said, I don't have my glasses, so please forgive me, guys. Next, I do have Yardley. Oh my god, I haven't, when was the last time I had something from Yardley? Maybe since I was 6 years old. You know, my mom used to always buy things from Yardley. This is Yardley London Powerful Collection. I'm not quite sure what this is, but let's just open this up. Electrolyte. These are little sample perfumes. Look at that, very, very pretty. I'm not going to take everything out because I just want to save time on this video. These are really nice, inspired by bountiful, beautiful, and blossoming floral bouquets. Wow. And you've got little samples right here. Okay. Just like when you go into some of the drugstores and you get samples of the perfumes. Let me just see if I can spray something on. Oh my goodness, whoa. Holy smoke. That smells wonderful. That means I'm going to have to invest in some Yardley collection. Beautiful. Very floral, but very, very mild. It smells divine. So you do have 5 samples right here of the perfume collection. Very, very, very nice. And they are floral collection. Yeah, because you do have that floral scent to it. Very, very pretty. That is lovely. And of course you do have a facial cleansing sponge. This is from Beauty Kitchen. It's 100% compostable. 100% natural sponge made from plant roots to gentle exfoliate infused with rose and red clay. So let's just open this up, and we are going to see what's on the inside. Oh, it's beautiful. And you can just hang that in your bathroom to just maybe just exfoliate the back of your hands and your body, whatever the case may be. Beautiful, lovely little sponge. Very nice. Facial exfoliating sponge. It's just for your face. I guess when you wet it, it's going to be a little bit softer. Next, I am pulling out from this box. This is Quick Fix Moisture Mask. This is from Beauty Kitchen. I've never heard of this brand before. Let me just see if I can open this up quickly for you guys. Let me just grab my scissors. And let's just see what this is all about. Oh, there we go. Quick Fix Moisture Mask. Ooh. Very big. Hope you can see that. Okay. And this is the product right there. Smells wonderful. Oh my God. Smells amazing. Very pretty. Wow. And I think I'm going to have to definitely buy some of these products. And this seems to be a full-size product because it's really full all the way to the top. Very nice. I think Beauty Kitchen is probably like a new beauty brand, or they must have been around for a very long time. I have no idea. So next I do have, this is Aromatherapy Associate. It's Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. Oh my God, these things smells wonderful. Very big. And of course this is a sample size, I'm sure. I'm gonna definitely look into some of these things for sure. It smells wonderful. It has more of a minty smell to it. Oh my God, it feels very moisturizing. Oh my goodness. Very big, that's that. Next I do have from Loccitane. This is probably a hand cream, I think it is. Again, please forgive me, I don't have my glasses on. And this is just a sample product. Loccitane has been around for such a long time, and this is it right here. And last but not least, I do have something here. It says, depend on your wellness, humane.com. What is this? This is different. Let's see what this is. This is probably maybe some samples of something. Let's see what this is. It says low calorie electrolyte drink, ginger flavor. It has sugarcane for natural energy, ginger root for anti-nausea, and sea salt for hydrating electrolyte. Wow, you can travel with these, and it's 100% natural ingredients. And I guess you can just mix this in your smoothies, in your drinks, or whatever the case may be, to give you some low-calorie electrolyte for your system. I'm gonna have to do some research on this first before I drink this. But other than that, I love the products in this beauty box this month. This is probably a bonus, okay? You do have the facial cleansing sponge. You do have the hair thickening mask from Grow Gorgeous. You do have the sample Yardley perfumes here. You get 5 samples of that. That's number 3. And from Beautiful Kitchen, you do have the Quick Fix Moisture Mask. Wow. Hydrate and moisturize. Very nice. I'm gonna have to read up on how to use this. Although it's a cream based, it says Quick Fix Moisture Mask. That's number 4. You do have a hand lotion here. I think it's a hand lotion, but it's gonna be linked below for you guys, from Loccitane. And this is from Aromatherapy Associate, and this is a bath and shower oil. And of course, you do have the bonus here of the electrolyte drink. So 6 products and a bonus in here. Very, very, very nice. I am so interested in this Yardley product because I remember, like I said, when I was much younger, maybe 6, 7, or 8, back in the days, you know, my mom, she loves Yardley. It was the Yardley powder and like the body sprays. That was way back in the days. And you know, the powders were in the tin with a big nice sponge on top. It was amazing, and she just loved that. And I will definitely look into getting more of these products because it smells really good. So the products in the box are really, really good. I like what I see in here, and I will definitely be investing more in the Yardley products and the products here from the Beauty Kitchen as well. Really, really nice. 6 sample size, plus you get the bonus electrolyte drink in here. Very, very nice. I'm very impressed. All of the products in this box is going to be in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on one of these. This box is £20 for 1 box only. If you want to go in for a subscription, I think it's like £12 a month. But I don't do a lot of monthly subscription because sometimes you end up with so many products that you don't use unless I'm doing a giveaway or something like that. But I really like what I see in here, and I will be definitely going in to be buying more of these products. So on that note, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.